Learn with Rose. Welcome back to my channel. I am Rose Chabra and welcome to Learn with Rose. This is day 6 of our series Speak English with Rose. In this series, we are learning how to speak English step by step from basic to advanced in a simple and practical way. In today's lesson, we are going to do speaking practice using everything we have learned so far. So far, you have learned I am and I am not, this is and that is, I have and I don't have, I want and I need. Now it is time to use all of these in real speaking. Let's begin. In this video, you have to repeat after me. Speak loudly and clearly. Do not just listen. First, let's practice I am. Repeat after me. I am ready. I am happy. I am busy. I am learning English. I am confident. Now, negative sentences. I am not busy. I am not tired. I am not afraid. I am not late. I am not confused. Now, let's move to this is and that is. Repeat after me. This is my phone. This is my book. This is my bag. This is my room. That is a car. That is a building. That is my school. That is a tree. Now, negative. This is not my phone. This is not my book. That is not my school. That is not a car. Now let's practice I have. Repeat after me. I have a phone. I have a book. I have a question. I have some time. I have an idea. Now negative. I don't have a phone. I don't have time. I don't have money. I don't have a pen. Now let's practice I want and I need. Repeat after me. I want water. I want food. I want to learn English. I want to improve. I need help. I need time. I need to study. I need to practice. Now, negative. I don't want this. I don't want to go. I don't need this. I don't need help. Now, let's combine everything into small real life sentences. Repeat after me. I am ready and I have time. I am busy and I don't have time. This is my book and I have it with me. That is my school and I go there every day. I want to learn English and I am practicing. I need to improve and I am working hard. I am not afraid and I am confident. I don't have doubt and I am clear. Now it is your turn. Speak about yourself. Use these structures and make your own sentences. Say things like, I am a student, I have a goal, I want to speak English, I need practice. Say it out loud. This is how you will become fluent. Do not wait for perfect grammar. Focus on speaking. This is day 6 and you are already building strong basics. In the next lesson, we are going to do a mini conversation using all these sentences in real situations. Make sure you come back for day 7, mini conversation in daily life. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next video.